Hello guys, it's Katie and today is move-in day. Today is the day that I'm moving into my apartment in Florida. I'm actually sitting outside the apartment right now and we're about to unload the U-Haul, unpack my car, and I have lots of people here to help me. But I'm really nervous. I've been like crying. I don't know, I'm feeling very mixed emotions and very overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect to cry right now, like what? I am excited, I'm just a little nervous and like, I don't know, there's a lot going on, but it's move-in day. I promise I'm excited, I promise. You got a box? I got a box. Good job, Vivi.
You don't want to go in there.
Is it stinky?
It's a trash. Very nice.
Home sweet home.
Ooh, look at that.
I made it into my unit. I'm gonna show you guys while it's empty in here and nobody's in here. This is crazy. This is so weird. Okay, empty apartment tour. So this is the door that you walk in and then you have my kitchen. She's so cute. Little, you have the fridge, the cabinets, the little mini dishwasher. Here I have my little microwave. She's cute. It's like a microwave oven. And then I have a stovetop here and then a little island, which is actually really cute. And then I can get little bar stools to put here. And then here's the living room. It's pretty little, but she's cute. There's a big window right there. There's the AC. And then obviously you'll put like a TV and a couch and decorate it. And then here's my bedroom. Here's my bedroom. This is just the stuff we brought up so far, but one big window. And then here's a little mini closet. And there's the big closet. Hopefully all my stuff fits. And then the bathroom. I like the bathroom. It's pretty big. It's bigger than I remembered it being, but she's cute. Good space. And now I gotta move everything in. Hashtag apartment tour. We got everything out of the elevator and put it here, all the small stuff, and now we're taking trips to bring it to the apartment. I am getting banged up doing this. It's pretty, right? You can carry that. Papa, you need help? My bed, my dresser, my desk.
Right.
I am sweating, but we just got everything out of the U-Haul. Now we're just moving it to the apartment and then time to unpack and build everything up, so success. We've been here an hour so far. That's pretty good. It says toilet paper in it and I got a piece. Oh yeah. We got everything in the room now and we are starting to put it together. My closet is becoming a closet. We got the hanging clothes. We got my sweatshirts. The bed needs to be built, so that's why like nothing's really in here yet. I'm building a layout. Okay, well that was pretty easy. Thought that was gonna be much harder. Here's the bathroom progress. We got the towel set up and it's getting all kind of decorated and organized. And Mimi's making my bed. We just built it. Well, I didn't build it, but it's built.
Bryan and Papa built it.
You built it. Can you hang up these shelves for me? Right here. This was my Christmas gift and we're gonna hang them right here. I thought I was gonna use them as bookshelves, but I bought an actual bookshelf, so now they're just gonna hang in my bathroom. We've made lots of progress. It's now 2 p.m. and we're gonna take a lunch break soon because we're all starving, but we're also gonna go to Walmart or Target and I have a bunch of things that I need to get. So I'm gonna make a list. Paper towels, felt pads, light bulb, lots of things I need to get, but this is just for now. Hello y'all. So I have officially moved into my apartment. Everybody that helped me move is long gone. It's the next morning. And yeah, everything that could be set up was set up. Everything that could be put away was put away. Everything that could be organized has been organized. Now it's just up to me to finish furnishing the place, decorate the place, and change anything that I want to change. I will give you guys a quick little overview, but then I gotta get ready because I gotta go buy groceries. I gotta go freaking find furniture. Like I have a lot to do today. yesterday I went to Walmart and spent like 200 bucks because I had to buy like stupid kitchen and bathroom stuff and freaking laundry detergent and freaking trash bags, you know, the bare necessities. But we gotta make this place a home. So that's what I'm doing today. By the way, this is not finally how it's gonna be. This is just how it is right now because I'm gonna have more furniture in here and decorate it. And so this is just how it is right now. But here's the fridge, here's the kitchen. So cute. I love my little kitchen. The island. Obviously this picture is gonna be hung up somewhere. Thinking there, we have to see. I have my shoe racks out here just because I have no space for them anywhere else. But I'm hoping to get a little table and like 2 chairs here. We'll see. And then I have my trash can and my pink broom, and then my desk. My desk happens to be in my living room, and she's gonna have to live there because she does not fit in my room. But I have a little globe. Again, like when I get a table and decorations and make it look like a home, all these little decorations will make more sense. I also have these prints from Hawaii that will be hung up somewhere. I'm getting rid of this little nightstand because I got a new one, but that's just there for now. And then ultimately there will be a couch right here. A couch will be right here when and if I can find one. It's not gonna be a large couch because this apartment is not large. Here's my bookshelf. I think this is what I am most proud of. Look at her, she's beautiful. She's not even completely full, but I've always wanted to display my books and I love her. And eventually I will just scoot that one over and put another one next to it because this baby is already almost full. Then we have my big window. I just have little knickknacks on it right now, and that's my AC unit, so you can't obviously put anything really there. I built this lamp. You guys saw me build this lamp. It's really cute. It's just like boop, and she's bright. She's a good little light. It's from Amazon. This lamp is from Amazon. The bookshelf is from Amazon. A lot of stuff is from Amazon. It's linked down below. Eventually then, this mirror will be moved and I will have a TV here. The mirror is not gonna stay here. Like this is gonna be where you sit and watch the TV. But the mirror is just living there for now because I have nowhere else to put it. But yeah, that's like a 360 of like the kitchen and the living room area. And then here's my bedroom. So right here is my dresser, which again, I'm really trying to get a new one. And then I will hang up this mirror just here right now and my little plaques. But this is the new little side table that I got. It's really cute. It's like a darker kind of wood and it has like, I don't know, it's just nicer. Like I've had all this old IKEA furniture for years and it's all falling apart. So we're growing up one step at a time. But yeah, here's my little nightstand. And then I have this little thing for my window, which is also really cute. And my bed is a queen bed, so it does take up a lot of the room. Like the room size is little, but I'm gonna eventually hang up and decorate stuff there. Like that needs to happen. Of course I have my fan. And then here's the closet. The closet situation is very cramped because I have a lot of clothes. But we managed to get some of it figured out. Like that's like storage, sweatshirts. I have all my luggage down here. And on the other side, more clothes, so like more sweatshirts, my bins, and all my hanging, and then my bikinis. So the closet is working for now. We will figure it out and deal with more later. But I really love my bathroom. I think she's so cute. Look at her. So obviously I need like a real shower curtain, and I need storage to put all my products because they don't fit under the sink. I got my towels, I got my little robe, here's my toilet, and then we hung up these little shelves, which ultimately will probably not be holding toilet paper in this anymore. It'll probably hold more products because I need to be able to store them. But yeah, here she is. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is way bigger than I expected it to be, so I'm really happy about that. I love her. But yeah, guys, that is my little apartment for now. This is what we're gonna be living in for the next year. So pack up your bags. We moved to Florida. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm actually here. It's like, doesn't feel real yet because all my stuff is here, but it doesn't feel like my place yet because it's obviously not decorated by me and it's not homey. Like I have no couch. The only place I can sit is in my bed. It's like missing a lot of key elements, but I am excited about it. I know I was crying at the beginning of this video. Still a little anxious, but working through it. Yeah, that's my apartment. I hope you like it so far. Thank you for watching me move in. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to start this new adventure together because this is home for a while. So I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, follow all my other socials, and I'll see you guys in my next, what am I doing with my hand? Video. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.